Hey guys, welcome back for another video. The product that I'm going to show you in today's video is an extremely useful product, and it's going to keep your baby safe from mosquitoes. That's right, the product that we are talking about in today's video is a simple mosquito net, but it's extremely useful, very easy to use, and easily available in most local and online stores. So let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. So you can see that it comes in compact packaging. You can always fold it and keep it back inside whenever it's not in use. So storage is not an issue with this mosquito net. It's almost like an umbrella, and that's how it opens and folds, just like an umbrella. You can see that there is a string at the top that you need to pull on to open it. So first thing you want to do is to make it vertical, just like an umbrella. And then you can slowly keep pushing down on this end while pulling the string up, and you will see that it kind of opens up into a tent-like structure. And when you hear the click sound at the top, that's the locked in position. That's when you want to stop pulling, and then you can simply place the net on the bed on top of your baby while the baby is sleeping. So this net is going to protect your baby from mosquitoes, because babies can't really communicate and tell you that mosquitoes are biting them, and most often they are swaddled inside a swaddle blanket, so they can't even use their hands. So this is going to keep your baby safe from mosquitoes, and in turn safe from diseases that mosquitoes cause, like dengue and malaria. So I hope this video comes in handy and helpful to you, and you can buy this mosquito net from the link in the video description. Your comments and feedback are appreciated. Do let us know what tips you use to protect your babies from mosquitoes. Do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.